Okay, as promised, this is the video of me using the ZV E10 from Sony and using the My Menu feature. So let's have a look at that. So to access My Menu, press the menu button and you can see the menu arranged in a series of pages and tabs. So I'm currently on page 1 of tab 1, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go all the way over to the right, the furthest right tab with the star on it, and that is My Menu. So go over to that. Okay, so this is page 1 of 1. So the first page of the menu is where you organize your menu and add items to it. And as you add items to the menu, they get put onto page 1, and this management page will go to the last page. So this will become page 2 once you start adding, once you've added page 1, and it will always be on the last page. I think there are limits to the number of pages you can have. I'm not quite sure what that is though. So before we look at adding something, I just wanted to mention that last item on the bottom of this page is there so that every time you press the menu button, it defaults to My Menu, which is quite a handy feature. So I'm going to turn that on. But first of all, let's start adding something to My Menu. It's very simple. It's the first option. All the other options are grayed out apart from that last one at the bottom. So you just click Add Item, and it gives you 20, so as you can see, it gives you 27 pages of menu options to choose from. So the options that I'm going to add to My Menu relate to my previous video on this in this series, which was about the S and Q button. So this is going to be I'm going to be looking for the shoot modes for the photo mode, the video mode, and the S and Q mode. So it's not on that page, nor that one. It's this item here, shoot mode. So the little camera icon next to the word shoot there indicates that it's the photo shoot mode. So I'm going to hit the center button, and it's asking me to add it to that location, which I'm quite happy to do. So I'm going to hit the center button again, and as you can see, that item has been added. So I'm just going to drop out of the menu by clicking the menu button, and now you can see I'm on page 2 of My Menu. So if I go to page 1, you should see that, yeah, that shoot mode option is there. Let's add another item. By now you can also see that all of those other items are active. So sort item, delete item, and so on. So I'm going to add another item. Now this is the video mode, video shoot mode that I'm looking for. Okay, it's the next 2 items actually. So they're both on page 12. Those top 2 items. So I'm going to add that there. And the S and Q shoot mode I'm going to add there. That's all I'm going to do for now. So I hit the menu button twice to come out of that. And now if I want to know what mode I'm actually in, I can just press the menu button and see which item is which item is active, and that's the bottom item there, the shoot mode. So if I move out of this menu and just go back to the first tab and press menu, and then if I go back into the menu, it goes back to where I was previously. So you might want that, or you might want it to go back to everything in My Menu, which is what I want to happen. So I'm going to go into My Menu setting, and I'm going to turn that display from My Menu off. On. Okay. So I'm going to do exactly the same. I'm going to just go over to the first tab, and I'm going to press Menu. And now when I press Menu again, instead of going back to that first tab, it's going to take me to My Menu. And there I can see my shoot modes, which shoot mode I'm in. Looks like I'm in S&Q shoot mode. Don't know if I can change it from within the menu itself. I've just changed it and now I'm in the photo shoot mode. So I find that a really helpful way of checking what mode I'm in, because I have been in the situation, as I described in my previous video, of thinking I was in movie mode when I was actually in slow and quick mode. That's the S&Q mode. I'll do another video about how you can set slow and quick modes up. But for now, thanks for watching.